Hello, my name is Octavia Klausman, and I will perform Rosalind's monologue from As You Like It and Deidre's monologue from I Hate Hamlet. Odds my little life, I think she means to tangle mine eyes too. No, faith, proud mistress, hope not after it. 'Tis not your inky brows, your black silk hair, your bugle eyeballs, nor your cheek of cream that can entangle my spirits towards your worship. You foolish shepherd, wherefore do you follow her like foggy south, puffing with wind and rain? You are 1,000 times a properer man than she a woman. 'Tis such fools as you that make the world full of ill-favored children. 'Tis not her glass, but you that flatters her, and out of you she sees herself more proper than any of her lineaments could show her. But, mistress, know yourself. Down on your knees and thank heavens, fasting for a good man's love. For I must tell you friendly in your ear, sell while you can. You are not for all markets. Cry the man mercy. Love him. Take his offer. Foul is most foul, being foul to be a scoffer. So take her to thee, shepherd. Fare you well. Andrew, I watched you on stage last night and I thought, he has worked so hard. He's put his heart and his soul into this, and at least partly for me. And he's so bad. And I thought I'd be demolished, but something happened. I mean, there were all those people coughing, and those mosquitoes, and a plane. It just flew overhead. And you just kept going. And I thought, what makes a hero? It's someone who tries to do what's right, despite impossible odds. Like you, playing Hamlet. You're the bravest, noblest man I've ever met. And then I thought about how I'd put you off, and how I was just a lady in waiting, and I thought, I am not worthy. So you know what I decided to do? I decided to drown myself, like Ophelia on Central Park Lake. Isn't that perfect? So I went behind the theater and I stood on a rock and I braided wildflowers in my hair. But I couldn't jump. I lost my nerve and I got so upset that I ran up to the roof and I gazed up at the moon and I said, "Oh, Mr. Moon, you're so big and round and yellow." And I thought, wow, Deidre, everyone's right. Get some help. Thank you.